morning again to everybody. Now it's Tuesday now. It's Tuesday the 21st of May 2019 and we are again at the Premier Inn site where now lots is happening now, and we have that stud welding plant lorry here back. Just going to walk across the road where I'm able now to get a video of what's going on here. This is about the best view I can get because there's a bit of traffic passing by me at the back. One has to be very careful, but I'm okay. We are at the end of the hotel here, and as you can see, we have the chain from the crane about to hoist something up. Lots happening now, and there will be as this actual construction now really takes off. And talking of taking off, we have takeoff here, I think. Not quite, they haven't loaded up what they want to hoist yet. All these have to go up. In actual fact, the hoist is being raised itself now. They're not quite ready to hoist all those blocks up yet. What's happened is that there's some stone blocks here. They're going to be hoisted up from this area. The hoist has just been brought down now. I could show you the outside packaging. It's reconstituted stone. Reconstituted stone. All of these have got to be hoisted up. And they've loaded the hoist now. The protective netting put round now. that now starts its journey. Oh, it's going up at a rapid rate of knots here. And that's going to be placed at the front, I believe. This is the rear of the hotel. I believe that's going to be placed, maybe not, maybe not. Yes, I can tell you that stone has been placed on the fifth story round the front of the hotel. Have just walked round the front now, and we can see that's where those stone blocks ended up, right on the fifth story there, right up there. That's where they ended up, and I can just show you this now. Yes, we have found out that these orange containers are actually known as pods. These are all bathroom pods, and as you can see round the front, the first story completely full up with them, and we go up to the second story and there's lots more there. Very interesting. These pods, these bathroom pods, very, very interesting indeed. I would like, at the same time of visiting the Premier Inn, I'm just going to immediately turn round, and I would like to show you this now. Now this is the tram stop that I've shown the last couple of videos. Now this is just the final couple of blocks now waiting to be placed. The gap was too wide, so they've had to come down and extend the curb out to meet the tram track, and only a few now remaining to be placed, and then everything all present and correct. Now I've turned round again, and what I'm going to do is, when I get home, I'm actually going to put on a website that you can see these very exciting bathroom pods. I'm going to show you the link to the company that actually make them and prepare them, and it's a very, very good, interesting site indeed. Oh my, there's lots going on here. I've returned to where we were at the rear of the site, and a big tarmac lorry has arrived. So we'll see that driven in. There we are, that's that tarmac lorry safely in the site now. Just another quick look at this vehicle here, and that will complete our little visit today to the site of the Premier Inn. Have just walked down now to to the promenade. There we are, we're right on the promenade virtually. There's the North Pier, and I'm just going to get out of the way this taxi that's pulled up here. Just like to show you this. Now there's a little area there. Now what's happened is those tiles had to be taken up, and they are now in process of returning. What's happened is I was told that they were having to attend to an earth cable. There's a street light there, and some attention had to be given to an earth cable, and we can see one of the construction workers there replacing all the tiles. So that has all been done now. Now there's the North Pier. I'm just going to turn round now, and what's happening here is that we can see some work being carried out. Now this is for a tram signal, and we can see two of the contractors here. They are now working to prepare this for a tram signal. An actual box will be placed, and there's the box there. That black box will be placed in the hole, ready for the installation of a tram signal. I thank these two constructors very much for telling me everything. Thank you. Have crossed the road now, and we're right outside the North Pier. Just going to turn round, and as I mentioned on my recent video, there is just small areas that need to be attended to, and as you can see, that's what's happening now. Right outside the North Pier. Once these contractors start, they'll soon have this done. Now I will do my best to tell you that I've just received some information of why this is happening. Now the cages, I'm just going to turn back. Now there's a cage there, and this is another cage. I'm going to carry on and walk back to where I was previously. Now there's another cage which we see a couple of minutes ago, and to carry on we can see another cage all being prepared, and there's two further on, there's two or three further on. Now what's happening is this: the surface that has been taken up was only temporary. It was only temporary tarmac, and on Friday, I've only just been told this, I received a great help as I always do. I've only just been told this. On Friday all this will be relayed. So Friday we're going to see plenty of tarmac lorries here on the seafront, and they will be placing proper tarmac. What was down earlier was, I'm told, was temporary tarmac, and also some poles have to be placed, those OLECs. Now that's overhead live electric cables, the big black posts for the trams, for the power to the trams. Now, I hope I've explained that right, or just about right, or satisfactory. Anyway, now that will complete my little video for the Tuesday. Thank you ever so much, and I want to thank everybody who helped me, and also for everybody that may watch this. Have just returned to the tram stop just to say a proper farewell to everybody, and to remind you I'm going to post that link for the very interesting pod site for the bathrooms. Thank you all again, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.